When a wildfire destroys a community, who should pay for it? It's a question state lawmakers have spent years trying to answer. Capitol Bureau reporter Ashley Zavala explains how the state's Wildfire Commission is asking for changes.
This commission has spent the last several months having public hearings, meetings, and putting together these recommendations. Now, while the governor, Senate, and Assembly leadership have said at the moment they don't intend to pursue changing state liability laws as they relate to electric utilities and wildfires, this commission is urging the legislature to act now.
I've dealt with a lot of problems in the state. This is the biggest one I've ever seen, and it's a self-inflicted wound.
Catastrophic Wildfire Commissioner Michael Kahn urging lawmakers to take action as the group releases a number of recommendations on the best way for California to handle the cost of wildfires when a utility is to blame. The commission suggesting the legislature consider changing utility liability so electric companies don't bear the entire cost when its equipment sparks a blaze. The commission emphasizing utilities should not be completely off the hook, but if credit ratings keep plunging for utility companies, California ratepayers could pay the price.
The legislature and the governor could take our report and the strike force and face up to the fact we have an emergency, declare it an emergency, and then legislate in the field.
Some lawmakers are concerned about the effects on customers and fire victims.
Because it seems to me that ratepayers and victims are going to have to shoulder a significant burden.
It is the responsibility of ratepayers to fund a system that is healthy and strong.
Governor Gavin Newsom has asked lawmakers to get him something big before summer recess to address these issues. The legislature is only working on a wildfire recovery fund for now.
It's my belief, optimistic, that if you wish to solve the problem, you can.
The Wildfire Commission will have its final meeting in Sacramento this Friday. Reporting in Sacramento, Ashley Zavala, KC24, local news that matters.